Sometimes it can be hard to answer questions with data because of fragmented tooling. Switching between tools creates a sort of lag in the data workflow, wasting a lot of time and a lot of money. With Hex, data teams have access to all their favorite tools like SQL, Python, no-code visuals, and a whole bunch more in one unified platform. Let's look at 3 workflows to see how data teams can use Hex to reclaim their precious time and move beyond fragmented tooling. The data browser is a perfect start for any Hex project. This is where you can access and preview data from the warehouse before loading it into a project. Once you're in a project, you'll quickly realize that Hex treats everything kinda like Lego blocks. Different types of cells seamlessly flow into each other, reducing friction when working with data. This is how Python cells are able to transform the output of a SQL query without needing to switch tools. And the charts are kinda smart. Any new chart added to your project will automatically populate with data, typically the output of the last cell. Click and find your axis values, and you have a beautiful chart in a matter of seconds. We can further elevate the experience of working in Hex with Hex Magic. Rather than writing out the SQL or Python code myself, I can ask for what I want in natural language. To help Magic out, I can reference specific data frames or tables to help guide its code generation. These workflows are super common in Hex. Query something in SQL, transform it in Python, maybe sprinkle in a little bit of magic along the way. To explore different scenarios, input parameters makes your analysis interactive, allowing you and others to tweak values and instantly see how they affect the results. With my analysis complete, it's time to share it. Rather than taking screenshots or downloading status dashboards, Hex turns your entire analysis into an interactive experience. Every chart, table, and visualization becomes part of a dynamic app that you can share with anyone. Once published, stakeholders can explore and interact with the data directly, enabling them to discover insights on their own. But Hex isn't just thinking about data teams with SQL wizards and Python nerds. We got a little something for everyone. From the data browser, we'll load this event data into our project using a table display. This is a great way to preview data and apply any filters or calculations before diving deeper. Calculations in Hex brings your favorite spreadsheet functions into a powerful notebook environment, allowing non-technical users to work with data in a familiar spreadsheet-like way. There are even no-code tools for more complex workflows, like joins and aggregations. For example, I want to analyze the average sales price by traffic source, but I'm not seeing sales price in this table. Fortunately, I don't actually need to know any SQL to join in new data. I just select the target table in matching fields, and Hex does the rest for me. Even grouping and aggregating data is as simple as a drag and a drop. There are even more cell types to display, transform, and filter data all without writing a single line of code. And just like before, I can publish this as a live app for stakeholders to explore and see all the insights that you come up with. But what if someone's in our app and has a follow-up question? Published apps are powerful, but they can often spark new questions that aren't answered in the original analysis. Instead of requesting updates from the data team for every new question, viewers can take matters into their own hands. Any chart or table in a published app becomes a launching point for a deeper investigation, letting users instantly explore variations of the analysis and find answers to the follow-up questions. And the possibilities go far beyond tweaking existing views. You can build entirely new visualizations to analyze your data from different angles. Maybe marketing wants to break down web traffic by channel, sales can see where their forecasts are heading, or business analysts can compare performance metrics across different categories. When your exploration reveals insights worth sharing, you can convert it into a full Hex project, giving you the full capabilities of powerful notebooks. Isn't that nice?